best of all time, he's going to make it work. Brennan and you, speaking about a timetable, let's say he signed, they're off to Vegas, so he's not going to sign this weekend. Let's say, just for the sake of conversation, he signs on Monday. Didn't have OTAs, hasn't been working with Brock Purdy. There's always wrinkles in a new offense, always new players.
6-9 AM 740, KCBS.
This is Larry Flick, owner of the Floor Store. Our Labor Day sale's on now, and it's big. Up to 50% off store-wide, 0% financing for 18 months, no sales tax on anything. Go to floorstores.com for directions. Time for the environmental testing report with Frank Valerga from Enviro.
Are you planning a renovation or full-scale demolition project for your home? If so, you're going to need an asbestos survey before you can apply.
Literally, he touched it. Now with Dominic Raiola coming in here, Dylan Raiola, this guy.
We need him back in office. Didn't even say his name, just said, we need him back.
Tom Lackey, along with other GOP legislators, sent a letter to Newsom asking him to hold off on the state mandate for big rigs to be all electric by 2045.
Advanced clean.
En la jerga del protocolo de la Organización Mundial de la Salud.
Say ESPN, by the way, if you agree. I mean, look, so back in Jesus' day, that was how easy it was. It was obviously then not uncommon in the world with this kind of divorce access.
I'd be super surprised if this economy needs that. You know, people know